So next to me is Umntwana Ugcina Zulu from KwaMandlakazi, Northern Mandlakazi. I am very happy to see you here, and I was following as Bekoka in Lando. And I'm learning that you are the one that is responsible for this. How did it start, and what was the inspiration behind for you as Umntwana?
Abantu bakwaMsikazi bakwazi ukuthi history yabo they are from KwaZulu, so bayenzile i-research ukuthi bathole i-background yalo bukhosi. Kwafinyelela ukuthi eminyakeni, if I'm not mistaken, beku-2016 bakwazile ukuthi baze bahambe bafike esigodlweni KwaZulu, bafike badibana neSilo, inkosi yakithi lenesibuzile uZwelithini. uZwelithini-ke wabatshela ukuthi hayi ngiyanizwa vele uMzilikazi siyamazi, kodwa-ke hambani niyokwenza u-1 no-2. Yebo, niyokhuluma nabantu abadala bakini, nami ngizobe ngikhuluma le ndaba ukuthi singenze njani ukuze lo bukhosi buhlangane buvuseleleke. Okay-ke kuthe kusenjalo-ke lapho engihlala khona mina eThafandeni bengumuntu obedrayive itaxi, ngiyarenka njalo nje khona lo baba ngimehlula uhleli nomunye uthi okundayo ngani ngokuthi yilo muntu othanda abantu, ngidlula ngiyabingelela all the time. Lo baba aze eze ukuthi ngingakwaZulu lono oJohn uhlala nalokundayo angibuze kuphi, bese ngitshela istory ukuthi from there enkosini so ngithi okay-ke ngoba manje ngifuna i-date yokuthi iSilo sintshela i-date yokukhipha ilanga lokugcina inkosi. Kodwa-ke manje sengihambe ngathola ukuthi kunezinto iqale lapho-ke indaba, ngoba ngiqale ngayo bakhulekela ngabasa umntwana waphinda ngena uShenge wafika wathi hayi ngikhumbula kahle nafika esilweni esibuzile, hambani niye enkosini, inkosi lesiphethe ngithi ingakabekho lesiphethe yiyo ezonenzela yonke into. Yaqala-ke lapho indaba ngabathatha-ke ngawo bakhulekela esilweni, ngathi mase bakhulekela esilweni-ke baya nabo bayokothi iSilo, bakhothama esilweni ukuthi ize ilungiseke lento. Hence-ke bona abahleli kahle, abahleli kahle laba bantu, yazi bahlushwa yini ngale kufuneka babe nama-passport, muva nje bese bakhansela ama-permit, bayaboshwa phela ngale South Africa ngamakorekore, baphinde futhi nangapha abakutholi kahle i-support engabenzela ukuthi bathole ama-ID ukuthi mabengena ngale they are belonging here manje, but they can bayahambe bayohweba babuye kha ngaphandle kweyimi.
Ngiyathanda ukuthi you ended with that part because xenophobia is a big thing.
Yes.
And sihlalise kabi nathi as South Africans abangabandlululi. So namhlanje besi-celebrate kukhona ama-descendants kaMzilikazi, ama-descendants kaZwangendaba, ama-descendants wenkosi uShaka. They were almost everyone. Mina personally iyangijabulisa lento because I love this thing here, unity of one Africa, because siyabantu abanye. And I'd just love to hear from you because ngendlela oza ngayo ngithandile, so I'd love to hear, what do you think for you, is it possible, this unity, this one Africa, this cohesion?
Yabona uma usufike lapho nje ku-cohesion ngicela ukukhombisa la yabona
African Kingdoms Diaspora Alliance.
Sisebenza ngaphansi kwamakhosi ne-social cohesion, sihlanganisa ubukhosi bonke lobu bamazwe. Sesike sahamba sawenza i-big event esigodlweni ngithi kwaPhakeni, si-acknowledge inkosi leyakithi as a king of kings and queens. So manje ukuhlangana kwethu kuyangijabulisa mina ngoba lapha we invited a king from Uganda, lesinayo lapha izolo lokhu besine king eCameroon, December eLayikhiyani lapha bese no-Uganda nobani lokho-ke yini social cohesion. Yes.
The future of Africa is in safe
Yes.
hands.
Bese sibuya-ke sengibuya la ku-Afrika. E-Afrika phela singakhohlwa ukuthi ngoba sikhona lapha yazi baningi esibuya kwaZulu. Umzwile nje waseZambia lapho. They are from us. Yes. I-royal family futhi sihambile. Iyakwaziwa ngendaba nje recently. Kuphinde kube amaMalawi. I-royal family sihambile udibana amaMalawi. Kuphinde kube yini iTanzania. Kudlula iTanzania, iZimbabwe. Kusuke lapho kube iMozambique. Bonke laba bantu abakithi abantu belele. Uma sijoyinana kanje ngiyajabula. Wesike lapha esikhona. Laba bantu bala sikhuluma ilanguage eyodwa. Ithi phecelezi nje kancane. And you are using same surnames.
Absolutely.
Yebo lonto leyo.
Ziyafana.
Neyithakazela eGoli-ke bathi hayi bayithengile bese sibayeke eceleni abangazi kodwa thina siyazi ukuthi abantu bakithi siyaba-recognize. Even inkosi yethu esiphethe nakuphi kuyazi ukuthi thina sinebantu basekhaya kwaMsilikazi.
Oh, yeah. Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome, my baby.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, my baby. All the best.